Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again today. Today we are going to make potato bujia. It's known by loads of names. It's also known by Bombay potatoes. So here we have all the stuff that you need to make the potato bujia. So we have here the potatoes, we have onion, tomato, we have fresh coriander, fresh ginger and garlic, and the spices we'll do a list. And the most important is the Scotch bonnet. Now this is the hottest chili on the planet, one of those, if not the hottest. So if you haven't ate the Scotch bonnet before, I would recommend you use 1/4 of the chili or half of it, because it's really chili, and it makes a lot of difference in the taste. Adding this Scotch bonnet to the potatoes, it gives it a unique flavor. I mean, I can only say if you try it out yourself, you'll know the combination of the potatoes and the Scotch bonnet goes really well together. Okay, so to begin, we'll pound the ginger and garlic, and that's your onion. You need to cut it really thin. Okay, so you get some oil in the pan first, and then you add your onions. In our house we call this Wednesday potato, and there's a reason for that, why we call it Wednesday potato. When we first discovered this recipe, whenever we cooked it, coincidentally it was Wednesday about 5-6 times in a row. So we call it the Wednesday potato in our house. Today isn't Wednesday though. And so that's the potatoes. You need to cut them randomly into wedges, the shape like so. They don't have to be all the same shape or square, just wedges like this, randomly cut. Okay, so that's your ginger and garlic. Okay, now you add the tomatoes. As you can see, the onions are not browned. You slightly lightly brown, but they're not fully fried. Okay, so you add the spices. Okay, you put the lid on.
What are we doing? What is this? Wait, after this round, then
When you cut the chili, make sure you wash your hands 65 times. Okay, now we're going to add the potatoes. Okay, so now put the lid on and let it cook. Still cooking away. Okay, the potatoes are almost done. So now at this stage you add the Scotch bonnet. Okay, so you put the lid on for about 5 minutes for the chili to do its magic. Okay, so that's done now. Just gonna add the fresh coriander. Okay, so that's that's finished now. It's done, ready to serve. Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe if you haven't done already, and I hope you it's very chilly. Enjoyed watching the potatoes. Till next time, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.